Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're looking to dive into the world of Laravel, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll go through the entire process of installing Laravel and running your very first project. By the end of this, you'll have a live local Laravel application ready to explore and build on. So let's get it started. Before jumping into Laravel, let's make sure our environment is set up correctly. Laravel requires Composer, a dependency manager for PHP. If you haven't installed it yet, don't worry, I'll take you through it. If your operating system is Windows, just go to the getcomposer.org/download and click on the composer-setup.exe. It will download the Composer and you can install it. But if you have Mac or Linux, just type these commands on your terminal. Once Composer is installed, we can use it to install Laravel globally, which will let us create new project easily from the command line. For that, run this command in the terminal: composer global require laravel/installer. The composer global require command installs Laravel as a global dependency on the computer. This means you can run Laravel commands from anywhere in the terminal. Now that we have Laravel installed globally, it is time to create our first project. For create a Laravel project, type this command: laravel new my-first-laravel-app. Laravel new is the command to create a new Laravel project. My first Laravel app is the name of the project folder. You can choose any name you like. After running this command, Laravel will create a new project with all the essential files and folders inside. Let's go inside this project folder. cd my-first-laravel-app. Laravel has a built-in development server, which makes it really easy to preview your application locally. To start this server, simply run the following command: php artisan serve. Laravel's php artisan serve command launches a local server. The terminal should show localhost and a port, typically 127.0.0.1 where the app can be accessed. Now go to your web browser and type in 127.0.0.1 8000. You should see the default Laravel homepage. Congratulations! You've successfully created and run your first Laravel project. Before we warm up, let's take a quick look at the structure of Laravel project. This will help you understand where your files and code will go as you start building out your app. Important folders in the project: app holds the main application code. Routes defines the routes or URLs of the application. Resources store views, front-end files like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Database, where migrations and seeds are stored, which help manage the database structure and initial data. Public contains public files, including CSS, JavaScript, and the front-facing part of the app. Each folder plays a specific role in Laravel's ecosystem. As you grow more comfortable, you'll spend a lot of time in the app and routes folder, where the core functionality of your app is developed. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've successfully installed Laravel, create a project, and run it on a local server. From here, you can start setting up routes or even integrating a database. Laravel is incredibly powerful, and there's so much you can do with it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding with Laravel.